everybody. Well, the first question for the friendly forum community would be this. How do you feel about the Nest thermostat versus Honeywell? I'm sure Honeywell wasn't too happy about the Nest design, since Honeywell was the one that had the little round thermostat all these years. And now that Google has is going to take over Nest, how do you feel about that? Do you want a thermostat that learns what you're doing? Or would you rather have the technology that Honeywell has in their thermostats? I know I've messed with a couple of Nest thermostats, and the people that own them made a mistake. Their words, not mine, by buying them. Some systems require more than what the Nest thermostat can handle. And when people go buy the stat, they don't understand what they actually have. So, how you feel about people going to Home Depot or Lowe's and buying the Nest thermostat, or even a Honeywell thermostat? Let me know down in the comments what you think. Comment amongst each other. Just let me know what you think.